When I was applying to the MSM, I had this vision of a master's program being very advanced and scary and intellectually complex, but I found it was just the right amount of challenging. It's like undergrad, but more.
So the MS marketing program has a balance of technical tools plus sort of the more human side of marketing, right? Because there's a piece of marketing that's really about people and their choices and the creativity that goes into communicate with them about that. But then there's also the piece about all the digital tools that are available now. Pieces like Tableau, like interfacing with the tools that Google provides, and all of that aspect that's growing exponentially.
The flexibility of the program was the most important facet to me. There was no other program that I saw in the United States at this time that allowed me the ability to choose within the marketing discipline the exact kind of classes that I wanted to take on my schedule and my time. I'm an independent creator, I'm a filmmaker, I'm an actor, I'm an independent learner. To be able to just log off, be on my own schedule in my own time, and then join those classes, a couple of them a week, between 6 and 9 p.m. Those are hours that I certainly was willing to dedicate to my education, and I would do it again in a heartbeat.
One of the special things about being here at the Leavey School of Business is we're situated right here in Silicon Valley. And so whether you're in a program that's an online program or you're in a program that's here on campus, what happens in Silicon Valley inspires us, informs us, it influences every decision that faculty make when they're designing courses.
For me, it felt like I could leave class, that virtual class, literally open up another tab on my laptop and apply what I was learning. It was really quick, really instantaneous. There was a lot about understanding marketing messages, what gets somebody to click, engage, respond, studying customer affinity, really just creating a solid marketing plan to launch any product, service, or business. That kind of learning is really fundamental. So I would literally close the tabs on my laptop and start working on my business plan. And that's how I ended up founding Enjoyment Endeavor. I founded my company in the East Bay at the same time as going to Santa Clara. I feel like the MSM was the foundation for me casting away my fear. This master's program forced me to confront my fear around numbers, around left brain topics, around data, but it's all within me. Like, I was entirely capable, and the program really helped me realize that.